first thing I want to say is that we're, always talking at these conferences, and, I'm always saying when I'm giving these kind of talks that we think that AI is going to completely change the legal sector. And personally, I think it's going to change all kinds of knowledge work. All kinds of work that are text in, text out processes are extremely amenable to this kind of automation. And that means that legal teams and legal work are not just going to become 10% more efficient or 20% more efficient. I genuinely think in the next 3 to 5 years, they'll become 10 times or 20 times more efficient. And that, every time we say it on this stage or other people say on other stages, feels like a very radical vision and a radical goal. But I really do feel like this product that we're launching today represents material progress towards that vision that you can actually go and try for yourself, see for yourself, and find out whether this is real and whether it's working. We're taking workflows that used to take 10 hours, 20 hours, in some cases, complex due diligence, hundreds of hours. They used to cost 5 figures or 6 figures, or due diligence cases, 7-figure sums. And we're turning that into something that with AI, the entire first pass of that process can be automated, and you can make that process 5 times faster, 10 times faster, or 20 times faster. So what are you going to be able to do very soon? Well, what we're doing is letting you build your own report templates for any contract type or for any legal process. In the free version of this product you can use today, you can use that series of pre-built templates that we've populated for you so you can get a sense of how the product works. Then in the next few months, that's something that you'll be able to do for yourselves. So any kind of repeated process that you have to repeatedly undergo that involves reviewing documents, asking questions about them, or summarizing their contents, you will be able to go and build that process for yourself, press a button, and get an email in 10 minutes that contains, in my view, a law firm quality answer to that question. That's what delivering on that vision of legal AI looks like. What's that going to look like? Well, we're going to have this suite of pre-built reports templates for you for the use cases you can see here, summarizing due diligence for employment agreements, for your MSAs, for wider due diligence deals in the M&A industry. We're going to have summary templates for your NDAs, for your LPAs, for your franchise agreements, for your MSAs. We're going to have compliance templates for those ESG or onboarding compliance workflows. And like I said, you're going to be able to customize those templates and customize those reports and turn that process into a one-click operation. What you'll also be able to do is, while you're customizing those reports and running them on not just one contract, but many contracts at once, be able to test them out in real time. So you'll be able to build your question, build the interrogation that you want to get out of that contract, and see in real time what that looks like on your documents. And when you're happy with the way those questions have been built and the answers you're getting back, with one click, you can run them across hundreds or even thousands of contracts in one go and get that report back. Again, that highly professional service quality, the high professional service quality that you expect from a real human lawyer. So that if you take one thing away from this, like I said before, this is more than one thing. If you take a lot of things away from this, I think it should be this, that legal AI isn't just the future now, it's here today. This is something that is real, that you can try, and that you can test out for yourself. So please go and do that. This announcement today of this new product, this is an exclusive, but the product isn't exclusive, right? We are not branding ourselves as technology for, the waiting lists for the elite that you have to know the right people to get into. This is technology that anybody can use, that anybody can get value from, and that we believe in sufficiently that we're just letting you find out for yourself. We're not gating the demos. We're not going to hold your hands as you go through it. We're just unleashing it on the world and letting you see whether you can get a 5 times efficiency saving or a 20 times efficiency saving from our product.